Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Coffee Cups is probably one of the most essential items for any coffee lover, offering a convenient and stylish way to enjoy your favorite brew on the go. But with so many options available, choosing the right one can be a daunting task, especially when considering their environmental impact and how to properly dispose of them after use, making it crucial to understand the materials, reusability, and end-of-life options for these everyday items. Number 5. Hefty Disposable Hot Cups with Lids, 16-ounce, 20-count. Introducing Hefty's 16-ounce disposable hot cups, designed for your convenience. This pack includes 20 cups with secure lids, perfect for your daily commute. Experience superior comfort with our double-wall insulation. It keeps your hot beverages perfectly warm while ensuring the outside stays cool to the touch, eliminating the need for a separate sleeve. Take your favorite drinks anywhere without worry. Our tight-fitting, leak-resistant lids are designed to prevent sloshing and spills, making them ideal for when you're on the move. Enjoy your coffee or tea with a clear conscience. These cups are made with 40% recycled material, offering an eco-friendly way to savor your favorite hot beverages. Your satisfaction is our priority. If you encounter any issues with your purchase, please reach out to us using the hotline number provided on the packaging for assistance. What we like. These cups offer excellent double-wall insulation, keeping your drinks hot and your hands cool without needing a separate sleeve. The leak-resistant lids provide peace of mind for those on the go. If you prioritize convenience and a reduced environmental impact, these are a great choice for your daily commute or office use. What people say. The cups are sturdy and don't leak. The lids fit snugly and prevent spills. They are great for on-the-go coffee. Number 4. Fit Meal Prep 50-pack 16 ounces disposable coffee cups. Enjoy a truly leak-free experience with our set of paper cups, lids, and sleeves. Made from durable, recyclable paper, they keep your drinks warm while protecting your hands. Rest assured, these cups are food-safe, BPA-free, and PFAS-free, made under strict GMP protocols. They are a dependable choice for all your hot or cold beverages. Experience a spill-free journey with secure lids that lock in temperature. The rolled rim ensures smooth sipping, and the insulated sleeve keeps your hands comfortable. Designed for your busy life, these cups are perfect for commutes and quick grab-and-go moments. They offer ultimate convenience for any beverage on the move. Their classic white design is perfect for customization or branding for any event. This neutral look fits seamlessly into any setting, from professional to casual. What we like. This set comes complete with cups, lids, and sleeves, offering a hassle-free experience for hot or cold beverages. They are made with food-safe, BPA-free materials, ensuring a healthy choice for you and your family. If you're looking for a reliable, all-in-one solution for home, office, or parties, and appreciate a clean, customizable aesthetic, these are ideal. What people say. The cups are sturdy and don't leak. The lids fit snugly and prevent spills. Great for on-the-go coffee. Number 3. Hakoware 16 ounces disposable paper coffee cups with lids. Elevate your coffee experience with our elegant and minimalistic geometric pattern. These cups offer a secure, non-slip grip thanks to their rippled exterior. Each cup holds a generous 16 fluid ounces and comes complete with matching lids. They are perfectly sized for your favorite hot beverages. Crafted from premium paper with a built-in sleeve, the double-walled design keeps your drinks hot for longer. You can hold and sip your beverage comfortably without worry. Our cups feature a food-safe interior coating to prevent leaks and moisture seepage. Enjoy your hot drinks with peace of mind. Separating these cups is simple. Just grasp the top 2 cups firmly, twist them in opposite directions, and they will easily come apart. What we like. Featuring a unique corrugated ripple design, these cups offer a secure grip and excellent heat resistance, effectively acting as a built-in sleeve. The modern aesthetic elevates the drinking experience. If you appreciate both style and functionality, and want a comfortable, non-slip hold for your hot beverages, these are a fantastic option for cafes or personal use. What people say. These cups are sturdy and don't leak. The lids fit securely, preventing spills. The design is comfortable to hold, even when full. Number 2. Blue PANDA Floral Paper Coffee Cups, 16 ounces. Elevate your next event with our beautifully designed floral paper coffee cups. They are perfect for serving both hot and cold beverages with a touch of elegance. These cups feature delightful floral patterns in charming pastel hues. The vibrant designs bring a refreshing touch of nature to every drink. Ideal for birthdays, office parties, or any gathering, these cups are a versatile choice. Their generous 16-ounce capacity is perfect for coffee, tea, and more. Enjoy a substantial serving with these 16-ounce cups. Their ample size and convenient design make them perfect for your favorite drinks. This set includes 48 cups and lids, providing a convenient supply for any occasion. They offer both practicality and aesthetic appeal for your guests. What we like? These cups stand out with their elegant floral designs in charming pastel hues, adding a touch of style to any event. They are perfect for serving a variety of beverages at parties or gatherings. If you're hosting an event and want disposable cups that are both functional and aesthetically pleasing, these will surely impress your guests. What people say. These cups are sturdy and don't leak. The lids fit snugly and prevent spills. Great for on-the-go coffee. Number 1. Shop Square 12 ounces disposable coffee cups with lids, 100 pack. Introducing our 12-ounce disposable coffee cups, designed for your convenience. Whether at home or on the go, they are perfect for your favorite hot beverages. Make a responsible choice with these recyclable and eco-friendly paper cups. They are a great solution for both hot and cold drinks, reducing waste. Experience superior quality with our poly-coated cups featuring a rolled edge. This design reduces condensation and provides better insulation and durability. Our cups come with secure travel lids, making them ideal for life on the move. Enjoy your drinks anywhere without worry. Never run out of your daily essential. This convenient 100-pack ensures you always have coffee cups ready when you need them. Enjoy coffee shop quality in the comfort of your own space. These cups are suitable for all your favorite hot and cold beverages. What we like? This 100-pack offers a convenient and eco-friendly solution for your daily coffee needs, with a 12-ounce capacity perfect for a standard serving. They are designed with a polycoat and rolled edge for improved insulation and durability. If you're looking for a cost-effective, responsible disposable option for your home or office, and appreciate a quality feel, this bulk set is a smart choice. What people say. The cups are sturdy and don't leak. The lids fit snugly, preventing spills. Great for on-the-go coffee. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.